It's Alex with Digital Trends. I'm on the ground at MWC 2026, where we are going to see what the future holds for us. No boring presentations. I'm heading onto the floor to find the wildest, the coolest, and the most "how is this even real" pieces of tech that are actually working right now. Let's go to find the future. Well, as you just saw, Xiaomi is showing us not just their achievements, but also their vision regarding tech, regarding design, regarding their collaborations. Like uleFone is something that, is quite new. They started to collaborate with Leica just 3 years ago, and now they're deepening this connection. The concept car that is designed for a video game, also something quite interesting, and it really looks amazing. Then also a lot of AI stuff. This is 2026, AI is everywhere. Hardware is improving, the software is improving, and their vision and design, it's all kind of moving forward. MWC isn't just about the phones in our pockets anymore. It's about the IQ era. This year, the halls are packed with over 2,400 exhibitors, and the theme is all about intelligence becoming physical. We are seeing AI move out of the cloud and into robots, cars, and even modular hardware that you can put apart and rebuild by yourself. It's loud, it's chaotic, and maybe it's the only place on Earth where you can talk with the phone, shake a robot's hand, and take an underwater selfie in the same 20 minutes. So it's the world's thinnest ink tablet. You can draw on it. It feels like you are just holding a piece of paper almost. It looks totally like a piece of paper. And this pencil has a razor. Just awesome. But the coolest thing that it has tons of AI features. You can, for example, record a meeting in different language, and then it will analyze it for you and translate everything and summarize it, and you're basically good to go no matter where you are. Just bring this super thin thing and you're really good to go. Wow. iFlyteck. Looks like a regular smartphone, just very thin. But it's not, because this is Tecno modular phone. What the modular thing means, there are different modules that you can attach to this phone. The simplest one would be a attachable battery. So battery module, you can attach it to your phone and it will charge it. Then there are different cameras. For example, if you're going out to do some outdoors, there is an action camera that you can attach to your phone. Or there are clippers. You can just attach it on a clipper and the phone will still be able to control the camera. So it's a remote camera for your smartphone. Even though it has its own camera, but there are others. There are other models as well. Another module here, telephoto lens, optical lens. Right now it's in X10 magnification, manual focus, and wow, it's so far away. And it's very clear. Wow, man. So it's just another model, and it has the shutter button, and very nice to hold it actually. It has 20x as well. Oh man, that's so sick. And the phone, of course, also has its own battery. Look how thin it is. It's very thin. Yeah, it's like, I don't know, maybe like 6-7 millimeters. Wow. It connects by Wi-Fi, I think, to different modules to be able to control them. But it's cool because it means that you don't actually need to keep them on your phone. They can be somewhere else. Wow, this is something I've never seen before. So part of the uleFone's demo is this place where they actually put some of their phones, and it's written "Step on me." And I'm going to do it right now. Very awkward, but they are still working. Can literally keep on using them. It's crazy. This one I'm also quite excited about because if you're old enough, you remember that there was a time when mobile phones all had detachable batteries, and now it's not it doesn't happen anymore. Okay, yes. So yeah, removable battery that you can charge outside of the phone, right? And you can just put another battery inside and the phone is still on. From modular hardware to AI that finally has a physical body, the line between science fiction and the smartphone in your pocket is officially gone. Which of these would you actually put in your bag though? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow Digital Trends for more tech news. We are preparing some juicy, innovative stuff for you. My name is Alex Tchaikovsky. Till next one. Goodbye.